Good morning, children. So from Monday you have FA1 test. Means I am going to do practice paper in this class, children. So you need to practice this paper only 5 times each, children. Otherwise write 3 times. Practice 3 times in your rough book, children. You have to write in your rough book. Understood? In rough book you have to practice, children. ರಫ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, ರಫ್ ಬುಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ರಫ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಈಸ್ fill in the blanks with the help of given brackets. Here I given brackets, children. So fill in the blanks is there, you have to answer. Here some clues I given. So first question is, I am dash years old. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ನಿಮಗೆ? I am dash years old. 6. SIX 6. Understood, children? I am dash years old. I am 6 years old. Next, second one. I love to dash cricket. I love to dash cricket. Play. 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 Next, third one. I am dash at narrating stories. Good. 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 I am dash at narrating stories. Good. 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 Fourth one. I love to dance and dash. I love to dance and dash. Sing. 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 I love to dance and sing. 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 Next, fifth one. Rani's dash is brownish. Rani's dash is brownish. Hair. HAIRA. Rani's dash is brownish. Hair. HAIRA. Next, sixth one. Some families are very dash. Some families are very dash. Large. 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 Excuse me, sir. Some families are very dash large. 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 Seventh one. They live together and dash for each other. CARE. They live together and dash for each other. Care. Next, a dash family has many members. ಯಾವ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ? Small family or big family? In big family, BIG, big. So here in the clue box, in the brackets, I given spellings, children. Identify the spellings properly and write. Excuse me. Next, ninth one. We have many relations in our dash. We have many relations in our dash family. 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 So first main is fill in the blanks, children. Next, second main. Think about your family and write the given following. So this is the relationship we learned by doing lesson no. So like that, children. Your father's father is dash. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯ ತಂದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್. GRAND. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್. FATHER. ಫಾದರ್. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್. ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿಯವರ ತಂಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ತಂಗಿ. ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಂಟ್. AUNT. ಆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರದರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿಯವರ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಣ್ಣನ ತಮ್ಮನ. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಅಂಕಲ್. UNCLE. ಅಂಕಲ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ಯುವರ್ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡಾಟರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾದರ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, ಅವರ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಕ್ಕ, ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಕಸಿನ್. COUSIN. ಕಸಿನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್. ಯುವರ್ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಮದರ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್. GRAND. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್. MOTHER. ಮದರ್. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮದರ್. ಯುವರ್ ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಅಂಕಲ್. UNCLE. ಅಂಕಲ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆಯವರ ತಮ್ಮ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಅಂಕಲ್. UNCLE. ಅಂಕಲ್. See, children, once again I will repeat second main. What is the second main heading? Think about your family and write the given following. First one, your father's father is grandfather. Your mother's sister is aunt. Your mother's brother uncle. Your father's sister's daughter cousin. Your mother's mother grandmother. Your father's brother uncle. Next, third main. What work can you do? Write yes or no for the following. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಯಾವ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈ ಯಾವುದಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ನೋ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮೇನ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡೂ, ರೈಟ್ yes or no for the following. First one, I can cook a meal. No. 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 I can cook a meal. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? No. 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 Second one, I can buy vegetables from the market. You can go for market? No. Next, third one, I can water the plants. Yes, you can put water to the plants. No. So you can do. Answer is yes. I can wipe plates. Plates na ತೊಳೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? No. No, you cannot do. I can wipe plates? No. Fifth one, I can paint walls and doors of my house. No, you cannot paint your walls and doors of your house. No. No, you can't do. Next, sixth one, I can fill water into the bottles. So you can slowly you can put water into your bottle, no children? Yes, you can do it. So see, once again I will repeat. I can cook a meal. No. I can buy vegetables from the market. No. Third one, I can water the plants. Yes. Fourth one, I can wipe plates. No. Fifth one, I can paint walls and doors of my house. No. Sixth one, I can fill water into the water bottle. Yes. Next, fourth main, unscramble the words for the following. Unscramble words means the word is mixed, so there is no orderly. So you have to write properly. See, GINS. What is this? You can't identify. So you have to correct that spelling, children. So first one is SING, sing. What is the first one? SING, sing. Next, SEEY. What is that? You can't know. So you have to write properly. EYES, eyes. Next, third one is dance. DANCE, dance. Next, you have to identify in these letters and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ letters ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ. Next, play. See, you can't read this AY, I play, not, you cannot read properly. So you have to make a meaningful word. So you have to write play, PLAY, play. Next, fifth one, TERISS given. You have to write sister, SISTER, sister you have to write. Next, LLASM, small, SMALL, small. Eighth one, INJOT, JOINT, joint. So first one is sing, SING, sing. Second one, eyes, EYES, eyes. Third one, dance, DANCE, dance. Fourth one, play, PLAY, play. Fifth one, sister, SISTER, sister. Sixth one, family, FAMILY, family. Seventh one, small, SMALL, small. Eighth one, joint, JOINT, joint. Next, fifth main, children. What is fifth main? Say true or false for the following. You have to write true or false. So first question is, we should not help at home. Now ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಮ್ಮಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಫಾಲ್ಸ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಓನ್ಲಿ 4 members is there in the small family. So here they given there are many members. Many means lots, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ, more people ಇರೋದು. So in small family there is only less people. So it is a false. FALSE, false. Next, third one, in a joint family grandparents live with the family. Grandparents ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ joint family, so it is true. Fourth one. In a big family, there are 4 members. Big family, bari 4 members irtara? No, there is a more than 4 members. So it is false. Fifth one, I like painting. True. Nimge painting ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕಲರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. Yes, it is true. I love to watch cartoons. True. I am tall. ನೀವು ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ? No, you are still first standard. You are small kids, no? So it is false. Eighth one, I have short hair. True. You have short hair only, no? So see children, true or false? Once again I will repeat. We should not help at home. False. There are many members in a small family. False. In a joint family, grandparents live with the family. True. In a big family, there are 4 members. False. Fifth one, I like paintings. True. I love to watch cartoons. True. Cartoons ನೋಡೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So it is true. I am tall. False. I have short hair. True. Next, 6th main is answer the following questions. So question and answers children. So in question and answers, first one is where do you live? Where do you stay? Ellidira? I stay in Bangalore. Where do you stay? I stay in Bangalore. Next, second one. In which class you are studying? Answer, I am studying in in first standard. See, I am studying. Studying spelling here on STUDYING. Studying in first standard. Understood children? See, which spelling I am going to tell you. First one, where, 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 DODO, YOU, STAY, stay. Where do you stay? I answer, I stay. Here only see spelling is there in question only. Stay, STAY, stay. in, Bangalore, BANGALORE, Bangalore. I stay in Bangalore. Next, second one, in which class you are studying? Answer, I am studying, STUDYING, studying in first standard. Next, what is your name? My name is. You have to write your name children. Understood? What is your name? My name is dash. Your name you have to write. Next, fourth one. What is your mother's name? Your mother name you have to write here. My answer, my mother name is dash. Your mother name you have to write children. Next, what makes a family? Sorry children, who are our parents? Mother and father are our parents. Who are our parents? Mother and father are our parents. Sixth one, what makes a family? Father, mother and children make a family. What makes a family? Father, mother and children make a family. Who are our cousins? Our aunts and uncle children are our cousin. Who are our cousin? Our aunt and uncle's children are our cousin. Who live in a joint family? Answer, grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins live in a joint family. Who live in a joint family? Grandparents, uncle, aunt and cousins live in a joint family. So next main children, last main, write missing letters for the following. You have to write missing letters. First one, MOTHER, mother. So underline word is OH. So missed letter you have to write till children. Second one, family, FAMILY, family. Third one, parents, PARENTS, parents. Fourth one, plants, PLANTS, plants. Fifth one, uncles, UNCLES, uncles. Sixth one, sister, SISTER, sister. Next, seventh one, play, PLAY, play. Next, eighth one, last one, kids, KIDS, kids. So understood children, this is your practice paper, revision paper for test. First round test, you need to practice, children. Practice 3 times. Understood, children? In rough book, you have to practice. So, we will continue in next class. Thank you, children.